I'll just tip it over and have a look underneath. I know a lot about vacuum cleaners, but I'm not sure what this model is at all. It is, if you can see that on the camera, I'm not sure whether you'll be able to, 912A. It's the belt and the agitator. This is the first one it's had in absolutely ages, so I don't know if it'll work or not. We'll have to find out. Now this might go a little wonky, seeing as I've had to make a contraption for my phone to stand up, but here we go.